Hey guys, Mohit here, and in this video I just want to talk about the benefits that you can get when you sign up for the GitHub Student Developer Pack. So, in today's world and in today's time when learning to code is free, open, and almost everybody can learn it, tools like softwares and subscriptions become a hurdle in learning, and that's why GitHub, which all of you may know is a Microsoft owned open source software repository, came up with the GitHub Student Developer Pack to help students like you and me so that we can get a bunch of offers and a bunch of softwares for free, which are usually paid to other people. So for availing this, you only need your student email ID, or alternatively, you can use a proof of admission. So that's it. Now let me take you to the step-by-step guide on how you can avail this amazing offer. So once you are at your PC, just open up your internet browser and go to this website, which is education.github.com. And once it opens up, you can scroll down a little bit and you can find the student developer pack. After that, just click on the get the student pack link and you will be directed to this page. Now you can browse all the benefits that you can get with this pack, and I'm not going to waste your time. You can do that yourself. I'm just going to click on this sign up for the student developer pack option, and now I'm going to select the get student benefits. If you are a teacher, you can click on this link. It will work just fine, I guess. Okay, so once you click on the get student benefits link, you will be redirected to the sign up page or the sign in page. I'm just going to enter my credentials for the GitHub account that I have, and it absolutely doesn't matter if you have a GitHub account with your personal email ID or your school email ID or your college email ID, whatever you have. Okay, so you can sign up or sign in with any of these accounts. Okay, so let me sign in with my personal GitHub account. Okay, so I have entered my credentials and I'm going to sign in. Once you have signed in, it will ask for your location. Trust me, give this permission to the website, because it verifies based on your location the trustworthiness of your application. Okay, right? So I'm going to allow it my location, and I'm just going to scroll down, and if you have entered your correct email ID, you'll see the organization in which you are studying, if it's verified or not. Okay, so I have entered my particular address here, and the name of this school or college has already been shown here. It's correct. I verify it. I study in BITS Pilani Goa campus, and now it will ask you, how do you plan to use GitHub? So for getting reviewed successfully, I advise you to fill the correct purpose in which you are going to use this GitHub Student Developer Pack or GitHub in general. So I'm just going to enter my purpose. So once you have entered your plan to use GitHub, what you can do is just click on this continue button, and on the next step it will ask for your proof of academic status. So you can just upload your ID card or any like proof of admission which has a date during which you were allotted, and it will work just fine, I guess, because many of my friends have signed up using their admission letter. So I'm going to upload just that, and let's see how much time does it take for GitHub to verify me. As I already told you, I'm going to upload my admission letter here. As you can see, this is my admission letter. Here I have my name, date here. Okay, so make sure you have those informations on your admission letter or your ID card, whatever it is. And I'm just going to click a picture here, simply holding the this admission letter in front of the webcam, making sure that the date and my name are visible. and I'm going to take a photo and wait for it to upload, and that's it. Now just click on process my admission and I'll meet you when GitHub has completed reviewing my application, right? Okay, so as you can see, GitHub says that I should check my email and should expect to hear from them within 6 days, but usually it takes around 1 to 2 hours if your application is flawless. Okay, so I'll meet you when GitHub verifies my application. So guys, as you can see here, I have just received my approval, hopefully, from GitHub, and if you can remember, we just completed our application 2 or 3 minutes ago, and here we have the approval email. So let's open it and let's see what it says. Okay, yeah, so it says congratulations, you are now a GitHub Global Campus student. You can explore valuable offers provided by GitHub's partner in the GitHub Student Developer Pack, view student events and much more when you sign up at education.github.com. So as you can see here, the application which we did submit on 19th of January 2022, which was today, has been approved. So if you have met all the requirements and if you have submitted your details correctly, be assured that your application will be reviewed and approved super fast. So okay, so that's nothing to worry about, right? So now, as I promised, I was going to tell you the total value. So here's it. I have done some calculations regarding the total value in rupees, which is provided by this pack. Assuming you are a 4-year student in any institution and you have the access to your student email ID for all the 4 years, I have calculated total value that you can get out of this offer. So you can just scroll through it. I'll link it in the description box down below. And finally, as you can see, the total value is around 18 lakhs. So guys, if you take advantage of this offer, trust me, you'll not feel that any of the softwares or any of the subscriptions are holding you back. Okay, so guys, that's all. Take the advantage of this offer as much as you can, and let's roll the outro now. So guys, that's all for this video. I hope you liked it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.